So let me present my screen. Thanks for joining again. So in today we are going to cover about how to install our Zulu and data loader. So first you have to go back to the Zulu website, search for the azul, azul.com, azul.com/downloads. And from this you have to just install this MSI. Just download this one. Once the download is done, you need to just install it on your machine. So download in progress. So the first step is to like download the GRE, JDK on your machine. And after that, you have to install that data loader. To start the data loader, to download the data loader, you have to search for the developer.salesforce.com/tools/data-loader. And then from here, you can just go ahead and click on that download option. And once you hit that download option, you will see the download get started. And then the Zulu and the data loader will be downloaded on your machine. And after that, you need to click on the MSI file to install that Zulu first and then the data loader CLI. So what we are going to do, we are going to first install that um, Zulu first. So I just clicked on that link where I wanted to install that, the Zulu JDK, Java JDK. Keep it as it is. I am not changing anything. Click on a next and it's all done. Just hit yes, and then you can start seeing that the download and installation is being done. So it's updating all the components. I would like to also log in my Salesforce application. Meanwhile, so salesforce.com. All right, so this installation is done. Let's come back to the data loader zip file, the one that we have downloaded on machine. Let's try to extract all the files here. Once the extraction is done, let's open that installer. Click on this Windows batch file, install button. Click on run button to get the installation done. Type yes and hit enter. So installation in progress. Installation is still running. So this is still in progress. Let's create the shortcut. Let's create the start menu shortcut also. All right, so installation is done. Let's click on insert, try to log in and see. Click on allow. So once you are successfully have installed it, you'll be able to successfully authorize these applications. And then you see the login is done. You can see all the objects, whatever the object that you do have, and that's it. So the installation is successfully done. You can see all the object, then meaning that you have successfully installed these applications, right? You can also do the export here. If I come back and search for the account or search for the contact, let's browse this file. Give us, if you would like to give us a name, you can give us a name here. If you like to just select the first name, last name. So if I can select the first name and the last name for the contact and then hit finish. So I have successfully exported the data of 16 records for from contact. So these are all contact we do have. All right. So I think we have installed this application successfully in our machine. Thanks for watching. Let's connect again for our next session. Thank you. Thanks once more. Thanks one more time.
All right. So thank you. Thanks once again. Let's move to our next topic. So in this program, we are going to learn about how to upload the related attachments under the account records or lead records or any parent records. So right. So let's try to see about our what do you call. We have already uploaded my parent record. So let's suppose in my previous topic we have seen that we have also updated or imported our uploaded our account record. So these are all three accounts is already uploaded into the my Salesforce. So if I go and search for my account Maruti Suzuki, I can see the Maruti Suzuki is also available, my Honda is available, my all three records are there, right? So this part we have already done. The parent record is there. Now in order to like move forward with my attachments, right? So what I have to do, I have to prepare one attachment CSV file. That file should have the parent ID, the name field, the name of the file name, and the body is basically the where we have kept our the the actual file actually, right? So this is my exact location where I have stored my what you call the attachment. So in this folder of my machine I have already what you call kept my assessment 3 and 4 PDF file. And what is my content type? So content type could be your text, could be your images, could be your the word doc file or PDF file, right? So I have kept as a PDF file, and the owner ID should be equivalent to the record owner ID. So you'll have to update this owner ID and make this as is private as a false. You can discuss with your business that do you want it to keep this private as a false or true. You can just make those false or true as a values. Now after this, what I'm going to do, I am going to grab that Honda record ID. So let me open that Honda. So for Honda and Maruti, I would like to make this as a parent ID, and under this ID I would like to upload my attachments, right? So let me come back here. So the attachment 3 is going to be uploaded in Honda, and I am also going to open the Maruti, and for Maruti I am going to upload the another attachments, right? So let's grab the ID field and let's update my parent ID. So assessment 4 PDF I'm going to attach to the Maruti. So now if I go and see this particular data loader exercise, and there is a one folder called attachment. In that attachment I have already uploaded this my file, right? So I have already um, kept this file under this attachment folder. So let me open that. If I go open here, so I have the data loader. In this exercise I can see the attachment. So these two attachments I have here. So if I see my path, come back and get info. In that info you see I have this path file. Copy this path file and you can paste it here actually, right? So this way you can manage your all file path. And let's prepare this one. Once you have prepared, let's save this one. Let's try to download the CSV file, and let's upload this attachment to our Salesforce. Now in order to upload, you have to come back again, click on insert, search for the attachment. Now you are not able to see, select this checkbox, call attachments. All right, so select this attachment, click on a browse file, and where I have downloaded. So let me come back to my this CSV. So this is the CSV that I have to upload. Come back to my data loader again, pick up that template, the data loader template, the CSV template that we have prepared, this one, and then come back here on a next, do the mapping. I have mapped successfully. The body content type is private, name, owner ID and parent ID. Hit save button, click on a next and hit finish. So once you have done with the finish, what it will do, it will create a two successfully attachments should be created. If I come and open to my Maruti Suzuki, the Maruti Suzuki should have assessment 4, right? So this assessment 4 PDF is now successfully what you call inserted here. If I come back to my Honda, let's see, the assessment 3 should be uploaded successfully, right? So this way you see this assessment 3 is also uploaded to my system, to my Salesforce successfully. So this is what we have been trying to like do my all exercise, where we have gone through all the Salesforce data loader exercise into end, right? So we have started with our what why we need to do the data load, right? So what is the purpose of why it is essential while doing the data load, right? So we also discuss about the data load versus import wizard. What is the difference behind that? So most of the sometime it questions your Salesforce certification question may come from this particular differences or comparison also. And whenever we have been like uploading the data, what are essential a template that we have to maintain, right? So whenever you have been like uploading or migrating the data from the external system to the Salesforce, you have to be sure about these templates should be available with you. We also discuss about the what are critical best practices, right? So in order to see those critical best practices, we discuss about how to bypass, how to disable that email notifications, why we need to disable that notifications, why we are going to create a service account, not the actual user account to what you call transfer the data, right? So we discuss about this part. We also discuss about how to use external ID to upload the data of the parent child records, right? And after that we have also learned about preserving the history information, right, where we have enabled the Salesforce audit field. And after that we have also seen that how to insert the null values called nullify the column or blank column, right? So in order to nullify the column, we have the data loader settings where we have checked this checkbox called insert null values, right? So we have seen that part also. And then we also talked about the date and time format, right? And whenever we have been uploading the data, the date and time format should be a proper, right? If these say date and time format are not appropriate to the CSV, to the data loader, it won't allow you to upload this data. Now then we talked about our uploading the parent record along with the child record, right? So along with the attachment record, so we see that in order to upload that attachment, what all template that we need to follow, right? What all template to type or what all template column should be there in a file. So stay tuned for our next update, and I hope you guys are enjoying this training and session program. Share this particular training program with all your colleagues and friends so that they can also learn these practices from Salesforce. If you have further any queries or questions for me, please try to reach out to this particular. You can also follow me on LinkedIn. So I am available on LinkedIn, and you can also give me a feedback on a Udemy actually. So this is my name, Amol Kumar Barnwal. You can find me on LinkedIn. So again, thank you. Thanks once again. Thanks for joining this training program. I really appreciate it.